What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. So I figured we'd do something a little bit different. I want to get a bunch of cold starts on the different vehicles we have. So we did the 98, the 79, my brother's Corvette. I'm probably gonna throw a bunch of these videos into like a montage type deal so you can hear each one. But no, the battery was dead on the Corvette because it hasn't been started in like 2 weeks, and it got really cold the past couple days here around Christmas. I think Christmas Day it was like a high of 15, and today it's I think like 20 or 21. So I figured it'd be kind of cool to just gonna get the cold starts and stuff. But I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I haven't posted in a while just because we've been so busy. I think I worked every day at Enterprise Rent-A-Car there in town, helping those guys out. I mean, I averaged probably 15 hours a week there. And I think I was at like 25, almost 30 before Christmas. And on top of that, I had a lot of last minute details I had to get done for people. But no, like I said, I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed your time with your families and stuff. But yeah, I got some pretty cool stuff. I hope everyone got some cool stuff. I know I got a new auto body detailing sign that I'll be hanging up there in the shop that Dad got me. We're actually getting ready to head to my mom's house. We'll be doing Christmas with her tomorrow. I'm going to be heading up that way, but I figured I'd get a video at least shot for you guys real quick because they'll probably be out Sunday. But yeah, the truck's doing well. I mean, nothing's really changed much. I am getting ready to order the carpet kit for this thing, so we'll be ripping all these out. Oh man, that was dusty. But the seats will be coming out, rear seats will be coming out, the C-pillars will be coming off, new speakers going in, and then we have new seats that aren't ripped up that we're going to be cleaning up, shampooing, throwing back in here along with the new carpet. That will be going on. I also have a new trim bezel piece that I'm going to be throwing in because this one's taped on and then I actually broke the vent. I mean, I can replace the vent, but yeah, that wasn't a very good day. But no, we're just trying to get some odd and end stuff done here on the truck. Probably gonna look at grabbing a couple nicer exhaust tips, because if you've seen in the startup video, I lost one and they're just kind of cheap. So hope you guys can see that. Yeah, one came off, but yeah, probably be looking at some new rear shocks here soon for it. Just trying to get some odd and end stuff done. I got to get my cousin Clayton's truck, which is right there, finished up. I got to basically wet sand everything one last time and then just make sure it's all good to go with the polishing process. So, but anyway, guys, I just want to make a quick video, kind of get it out there. So that being said, I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I hope everyone has a great new year. January 1, we are going to be announcing the next giveaway. I've been talking to I've been mentioning one, doing like a GM Man t-shirt, a decal, a GM Man coffee mug, and then we're actually going to be teaming up with Aaron Smith, one of the guys that I deal with a lot through AMSOIL. He is actually a rep for them. He actually sent some fuel additive that's going to be tossed in with the giveaway, along with a pair of jam handles. So just a nice little giveaway to start off the year, kind of get the channel to grow. We'll be talking more about that here shortly, but yeah, I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update, and that's it, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM Man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.